The Last Climb. In a small mountain village, there lived a young girl named Liana. Every day, she looked up at the towering peak of Mount Alaris, the highest and most dangerous mountain in the region. Legends said that no one from the village had ever reached the summit and returned. They either gave up or disappeared. Liana wasn't the strongest nor the fastest, but she had something most others didn't: unshakable determination. At 17, she decided to climb it. Her parents tried to stop her, saying it was impossible. The villagers laughed. "You'll fail like the rest," they warned. Liana trained in silence. She failed countless times, slipping on icy slopes, getting lost in fog, nearly freezing in snowstorms. Each time, she returned home bruised, tired, and empty-handed. But she never stopped. On her 5th attempt, a fierce blizzard hit near the summit. She found shelter in a small cave, freezing, hungry, and alone. For the first time, she thought about giving up. Tears froze on her cheeks. But then she remembered something her grandmother once told her: "You only fail when you stop trying." The next morning, the storm cleared. Liana emerged from the cave, weaker than ever, but she kept moving, step by step, breath by breath, until finally she stood at the summit. She didn't scream or cheer. She simply smiled. She hadn't just conquered the mountain. She had conquered every doubt, every failure, and every reason to quit. When she returned to the village, the same people who once doubted her stood in silence, watching her walk through with frostbitten fingers and a fire in her eyes. Liana didn't reach the top because she was the best. She made it because she never stopped trying. This video is for educational purpose, for those who want to improve their skills and develop their confidence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe this channel at Grandpa786. Thanks for watching.